fasting. Bees, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can figure out yourself your year cycle. Your year cycle is what you need to focus on every year. I'm talking about numerology and astrology. So I'm gonna put myself as an example. How to figure out my year cycle. So this year is my year cycle number 8. And I figured out this way. My last birthday was on February 23, 2026. So February is 2. 23, 2 and 3 is 5. So I got a 7. And 2026, 2, 2 and 6, that's 10. So there's 1. 7 and 1 is 8. That's my 8-year cycle. That's how I figure out. You can do the same thing with yourself. So in every year cycle, you need to focus on something. Like 1 year cycle is a new beginning, a fresh start. You need to focus on start things. There's no such thing as a 2-year cycle or a 2-life path. So there's 11-year cycle. On 11-year cycle, you need to focus on be ready, because there's a lot of opportunities coming your way. On a 3-year cycle, you need to focus on communication. The 3 energy is about communication. It's about speaking and talking to people. Maybe create your social media channel. On 4-year cycle, you gotta watch for the law. If you did something bad, you gotta be careful with the police. Okay, 5-year cycle, that's about making trips, go to vacation, go somewhere else, having a baby. So on 6-year cycle, it's about family. Focus on being with your family. On a 7-year cycle, that's when you get lost. When a lot of people get loose. When people get injured. So be careful that year. On an 8-year cycle, you're supposed to make money. But also, 8-year cycle means karma. So if you did something bad, the karma is gonna hit you. On a 9-year cycle,